Guys, hi! Welcome back to my channel. Ayan. Nurse ang peg ko. No, hindi po ako papuntang duty. Kung yan po ang iniisip nyo, I'm already closed from work. It's just that I'm waiting for somebody to come. And it's just a company protocol that if somebody will come by here inside our accommodation, we should wear full PPE. It's also to protect ourselves. Ayan. Kasi kailangan daw nila kami sa bawal ang magkasakit. Go-wait lang kami sa kanila because they're going to fix new gym equipment. Sa tagal-tagal namin dito ngayon lang nila naisip ang magpadala ng gym equipment. Siguro nakikita nila na going to obese na kami. So I'll get back to you guys for the unboxing. And ano nga ba ang gym equipment na ito? I'll get back to you guys in a minute. Guys, ayan na po, nakasetup na ang aming treadmill at ang aming bicycle, sponsored by our boss. Ayan, napakabuti ng boss. Nakita niya siguro road to obesity na kami, kaya nagpadala na. Ayan. So, ang ganda po ng service nila kasi sila mismo yung pumunta para mag-set up dito. Sila na rin nag-vlog. What we're going to do na lang is to set it up on the Wi-Fi and then set up namin yung machine. And ready to go. Kasama na siya yoga mat and weights, I guess, Peloton weights, exercise mat, heart rate monitor, resistant bands. Ayan. So, samahan niyo po ako sa unboxing. So, this is the chest strap which is connects instantly to track your heart rate every workout. So we have here is a pair of cast iron weights. It's a 5-pound weight. This is the second pair of iron weights, weighted 10 pounds. It's included in the package also. So included also with the package is these non-slip rubber coated handles resistance band. So these are the items that are included in the treadmill. The bicycle has its own package too, and we will discuss it in a little while. So what we have in here is a Peloton bicycle and a Peloton treadmill. The specification of each will be discussed shortly. Guys, when you check it out from Peloton, they have bicycle packages. They have basics, bike essentials, bike works, and bike family. The one we received is a bike family package because it has 2 pairs of bicycle shoes, 2 pairs of weights, 2 headphones, a yoga mat, and 2 water bottle. Bakit nga ba maganda ang Peloton bicycle na ito? Because it has a lot of classes or thousands of classes from instructors worldwide na makikita natin sa HD touchscreen na nakaka-move ng 360 degrees. Ayan, may rotating touchscreen tayo. Plus, 4-channel audio, what tweeters and what woofers. And in additional, it has 2 front and rear facing speakers. So let's go to my favorite gym equipment, the treadmill. What is in store for us with the Peloton treadmill? They said you can go the extra mile with support under every step, with shock-absorbing slat belt, at 67 inches of running space, with 32 inches touch screen, and take note they have sound bar too, with speed and incline knobs. And what more is that you can have an access to thousands of Peloton classes. Ano ba kasing classes na ito na ibinabrag ng Peloton? Classes is that they said you can choose from a variety of captivating instructors and training programs. So training classes po yun from beginner to advanced levels ng running, strength, yoga, and more. And the good thing with it is you can download their app on the go and access classes like running, strength, yoga outdoor running, and more with your all-access membership, which is included in the package. Guys, that was it. Yeah, for me, Peloton equipment really are the best. Nah, I'm not endorsing, it's just based on my experience and on my opinion. Ayan, workout has started! I haven't tried really the bicycle yet because I find it hard to remove the shoes kasi may intended shoes siya para dun sa pedals niya. So, may mga techniques kasi to remove it on your own. And I've tried the treadmill. It's really, really good. A must try. Yes, though you can do workouts without gym equipment. So let me know in the comment section below kung anong favorite workout routines nyo guys. And for the questions about the Peloton and for clarifications, I can answer it one by one. Just drop it on the comment section below. Thank you for tuning in. And you know, exercise is a must these days because it's also helped to improve your immune system. Take it from the nurse. Okay, thank you. And for more videos from this channel, just click like, share, and subscribe. And ring the bell for notifications. Thank you. Stay safe and God bless.